Good day, everyone. Today marks a momentous occasion as we gather virtually to celebrate a significant milestone in the lives of our little champions. We are genuinely thrilled to see each one of you here joining in the joy of this special ceremony. First and foremost, a heartfelt thank you to our dear parents. Your trust and unwavering support have been the bedrock of our journey. Your dedication and hard work during these challenging times have not gone unnoticed. It is an honor that you selected Little Champions as the nurturing environment for your children, and we sincerely commend you for that. To our remarkable students, a resounding salute. In the face of the challenges that schooling has presented in recent years, each one of you has emerged as a true champion. Your perseverance and dedication have transformed the ordinary into the extraordinary. Today, we stand proud witnesses to your journey of turning good into better and your best. Congratulations on this well deserved achievement. We firmly believe that each of you will illuminate the world in your own unique way. As we embark on the celebratory moment, we anticipate with excitement what the future holds for each of you. We are confident that it is something grand, enjoyable, and truly amazing. Allow me to conclude with a poignant quote by A. Milne. You are braver than you believe, stronger than you seem, and smarter than you think. To our dear little champions, once again, congratulations. May your journey ahead be filled with continued success and boundless joy.